I will walk you through the installation of LLM Deepseek on your local machine. Uh, so go to your browser and in your search engine type Ollama. Now you have to go to the Ollama website. Now this is the web page that you will get on ollama.com. Now, this Ollama is used to run large language models, Llama 3.2, 3.3, or DeepSeek or other models. Just click on download. Now here you have to choose the platform operating system that you are working on. So I have Mac, so I will download Ollama for my Mac OS. Now this Ollama comes in a zip archive. I'll wait for it to download. Once downloaded, just click here and it will start unzipping it and expanding it. So you can go to your download directory and you can see that Ollama is getting uh, unzipped. So this is the icon for Ollama. You have to wait for the complete unzipping of this archive, and then we have to double click on this Ollama for the installation. The installation is simple. Once downloaded, you have to give the permission to open this internet downloaded Ollama app, and the installation will start. And then just go to application, click on Ollama, and to check whether this Ollama has been installed, go to the terminal and type Ollama. You will get these commands indicating that the Ollama app has been installed. Go to models, and you can see different LLM models that are available, and we can install them on our local machine. For now, we will install Deepseek R1 model. Now, Deepseek R1 LLM has different models. We have 1.5B, 7B, 8B, 14, and so on. We will be installing 1.5B model, and we have to copy this link. It requires 1.5 GB. Now, to know the system requirement for these LLM models, just go to the website, and this website you have to go, and it will give you detail about this Deepseek R1 model. Scroll down. Here it is. You have 7B, 16B models. 7B is 4 GB and requires 14 GB of RAM, and this is in the tabular form, easy to interpret and understand. So since our RAM is not good, we are just settling for this demonstration purpose 1.5B model. For 7B, you have 7 billion these parameter nodes. So when you select it, you copy the link and go to terminal and type it or paste it. Now it will start downloading. If it starts good, if it is not starting, we will get an error. Then We'll see if we are able to. No, we got the error indicating that no host found. We have to go to our VPN and choose a location like US and for the download. And no, I think my VPN is not connected. So uh, we will use the command while colon semicolon 2 and paste the link, then semicolon and done. What this command will do that it will repeat this operation of downloading the model on our local machine. I don't need to type this again and again like now. It just download on its own. Even if there is some interruption or disruption of internet connection, then it will resume on its own. So that's why we are using this while do uh, command. Make sure you have a good internet speed and stable internet connection for the smooth downloading of these models. The internet speed should be about 10 Mbps or more. Like my speed is below 10 Mbps and I'm struggling to download this, hopefully, but it should go through. Almost there. Yes. Wait for some more files to download and verification, and then we have success. Now we will get this command that we can write anything, so we can type anything like hello. So Deepseek thanks and then gives a response, so, and terminate the. Now after terminating this terminal, we can open this and check the Ollama. Uh, Now you can check the Deepseek LLM models on my local machine. Then we can use these commands within the model, uh, like slash backslash by is to exit from the model. Uh, I think I'm making a mistake. It's not backslash, it's forward slash by. Yes, it's forward slash by, and then I came out of this model to my own prompt. Now we will install Docker. Choose the Docker for your operating system. Now, why we need this Docker is it gives the same environment for our WebUI container that we will install later. So, irrespective of the machine or the operating system we are working on, Docker gives us the same environment for running our these LLMs. We are almost there. Now, just click here, open it, and drag and drop this Docker in the applications, and wait for the copying. We are waiting for the verification of this Docker app. And just open this since we have to give the permission. I will now it's verified. Open it. Okay, let's go to Docker. This will be the interface of this Docker desktop. I was telling that I feel that it's not worth to download these AI chat models on your local machine. Don't do that. So this is the interface. Now we will go to the browser and search for the web user interface application. For that thing, we will type Open-WebUI, and on the GitHub, like just click there and now wait for the loading of the page, and we'll scroll down. Uh, Go to the installation section, and here installation with the default. If Ollama is on your computer, copy this thing and go to your terminal and paste it there. It's done. Now we can go to our Docker app and see that Open-WebUI is running. We can stop it, and we have to wait for the time and then click on the port link. Just wait for 1 or 2 minutes or more for this WebUI link to get prepared. Almost 2 to 5 minutes it takes time for this WebUI application to work properly. On 2 minutes, it's showing error. Just wait more time. We will wait 1 more minute. Okay, now it's showing that it's operational. We have to sign up. I've already signed up for this web UI. Now I will just sign in here, and once you sign in, you will get your DeepSeek model interface. Now type your query and choose your models, whatever you want to do now.